So if they give you this example which says write each set using interval notation and then create a graph, so there's two things, interval notation and a graph. They've given me here set notation. It looks quite intimidating. The only thing you really need to focus on is the inequality itself. Just focus right here. So let's create a number line together. Class, what's the only number they give you?
5.
So that should be really the only number on your number line. I need greater than or equal to. Class, is that going to be an open or closed circle?
Close.
That's a closed circle. Closed circle means included. Class, where are numbers that are bigger than or equal to 5? Is that to the right or to the left? Numbers that are bigger than 5 are like 6. So go towards the right. So this is a graph in inequalities. Let's do a graph in interval notation, and that might help us write the interval notation itself. Looking at your notes, how do you write a closed circle in interval notation? Is it a parentheses or a bracket, class? It's a bracket, so let's write a bracket. And then you just follow the same thing. It's just an arrow. Okay, let's write now interval notation. Now interval notation, you go from left to right. Which direction? Left to right. So I see a bracket here. Class, where's that bracket? What number is it at? It's at 5. And then you write a comma. And then you have an arrow. This arrow is pointing to all the numbers that are really big. That's called positive infinity. Remember a positive sign, you don't write a plus there. And what symbol do you always write with infinity? You always have a parentheses. So from set notation, the most important part is the inequality. You should be able to graph that. Graph it also in interval notation, and then from your visual, your graph, you can get interval notation.